You gonna put your foot in your mouth? Huh? Oh, well. I know. I know.
Judson Ray, what do you got to say? Uh-huh. Yeah? Is that what's going on today? Tell me what you think about the house. No, is that right? Okay. All right. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow.